Hey there, it's great to see you tuning in today. If you're a health enthusiast like me, you probably know that sugar isn't exactly the best friend to our health. But did you know it could be wreaking havoc on your skin too? Let's dive into the 5 signs that might indicate you're consuming too much sugar. First up, number 1, acne breakouts. Yep, those pesky pimples could be a sign of a high sugar diet. When you consume sugar, it spikes your blood sugar levels, leading to an increase in insulin. This insulin spike can trigger oil glands and inflammation, which can lead to, you guessed it, acne. So, if you're noticing more breakouts than usual, it might be time to cut back on the sweets. Next, number 2, premature aging. Sugar can accelerate the aging process of your skin through a process called glycation. This is where sugar molecules attach to proteins like collagen and create harmful new molecules called advanced glycation end products. These molecules damage the collagen and elastin in your skin, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Definitely not ideal if you're aiming for that youthful glow. Moving on to number 3, dark under-eye circles. Excessive sugar intake can cause dehydration, making your skin look dull and tired. Dehydration emphasizes those dark circles under your eyes, making you look more exhausted than you really are. Hydrate well and limit the sugar to help keep those peepers fresh and bright. Fourth on the list, blemishes and redness. If you're noticing more redness or chronic blemishes, sugar might be the culprit. Sugar can increase inflammation in the body, which often shows up as redness and irritation on your skin. Reducing your sugar intake can help calm your skin and decrease those unwanted blemishes. Finally, number 5, dull and dry skin. High sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance, which affects your skin's ability to retain moisture. The result? Dry, flaky, and dull-looking skin. By cutting back on sugar, you can help your skin maintain its natural moisture balance, giving you that healthy, radiant glow. So, there you have it. 5 signs that sugar might be ruining your skin. If you recognize any of these in yourself, it might be worth reassessing your diet. Remember, moderation is key, and your skin will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay radiant.